What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Robbie Bright Jones, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so guessing by the title and guessing by the thumbnail, you guys should know what video this is. Yes, so mostly when I do party flyers, I include very hot images of models, so that the artwork looks very much enticing. So yes, I have 4 websites, or like 4 ways you can get party models, so you can put them on your artworks to make them look far better. Yes, so the first website is Mixtape PSD. Yes, and Mixtape PSD has been around for a long time, and they deal in images of this sort. Yes, so I'm trying to slide down, but then there are a whole lot of images that I don't know if YouTube is going to allow me to showcase it, so I'm just going to show this one because this one is less explicit, right? Like this one looks a bit cool. Yes, so mixtapepsd.com, and also I'm going to leave a link in the description, so you guys can just click on it, enter, and do whatever you want to do. Yes, but then there's this thing, Mixtape PSD doesn't really give out free images like that, but then they are the ones that have most images. So I don't know how you guys are going to have access to these images, but then I'm just going to let you guys know. So the second website is PNG Wing, and for PNG Wing you just enter and you just search in party models, or any keyword that you think is going to pop them out, and you're going to have very high quality images. So when you look at this image, you can see it is very high, and you can add it to your artworks, your party flyers, and it's going to look very dope. Yes, very dope. Yes, and the next website is vhv.rs. Yes, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can have it. And when you look at this image too, you can include this in your artworks, and it looks very dope. You can use it for any type of work that really needs this image, right? Yes, so vhv.rs, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can have like a direct download to it. Yes, and I think there's the last place, or last way to get these images, and that is on Instagram. I know this guy called 2020 Photography. He does like model shots and all those things. I can scroll down, but then the things inside, Charlie, enough for me. So I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go through, and when you get the image, you just take off the background and you can use it. Yes, it's not much of a hassle. And if you want to find out how to remove the background of an image very easily, there's a video that I did, and I'm going to leave a link of that video also in the description so that you guys can have it. So as soon as you download the image from Instagram here, and it has all the background and everything, you just send it to the website and you remove the background and you're good to go. So yes guys, I don't know if YouTube is going to allow this video, but then I made sure that everything was done accordingly. Even the thumbnail, this is the thumbnail, even the thumbnail was done accordingly. I don't want trouble, right? So yes guys, that is it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.